guys, it's me Maria and welcome to the first episode of PLANTZILLA's Philodendron versus Philodendron. Today, we are going to differentiate Philodendron tricolor from Philodendron Prince of Orange. I have received lots of questions regarding the differences between them, if they are the same or if they are two different species or varieties of philodendrons. Magkaiba nga ba sila or iisa lang? How I differentiate them may or may not be the same with your opinion, and you may or may not agree with my thoughts about them, but still, I made this video to share my ideas, especially if this is bothering you the same way it bothered me. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please consider subscribing to PLANTZILLA BHL and tap the bell button to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So if you are ready, let's begin. For this video, I will be using plants of the same size or at least slightly the same para di naman masyadong malayo ang itsura kapag pinag-compare natin. And we will start with our Philodendron tricolor, our newly propagated Philodendron tricolor. Yung mga kapatid nito were promised to be given away. So may mga nagmamay-ari na sa kanila and naibigay na namin. So ito na lang yung natira. This is super stable. And we will use this in comparison with our Prince of Orange. So this is Philodendron tricolor. Guys, before we head on to differentiating them, Philodendron itself means tree-loving, and that refers to those species within the Philodendron genus that are climbers in nature. So, ayan guys, yung mga iba kasi mga Philodendron, malami tayong Philodendron na talagang climbers. And I bet you know what are those examples. We have them at home as well. And for our last video or our latest upload, it was the Philodendron Brazil that was a type of climbing philodendron. So maraming iba pang uri ng philodendron na umaakyat sa puno, especially yung mga nasa wild at nasa mga tropical rainforest pa. So guys, this tricolor that we have is locally grown and I haven't heard about Prince of Orange before. However, may time na naging kilala ang Prince of Orange based on social media posts, and I believe yun yung dahilan kung bakit nagtaka tayo. Marami po ang nagko-comment at nagsasabing magkaiba, and that is the main purpose of this video. So I'm getting this tricolor almost of the same size of Prince of Orange na meron kami. The newest leaf. So ito yung newest leaf guys. Look how glossy it is. So, ganyan naman talaga yung mga bagong dahon. They are so glossy. And this is almost of the same size ng Prince of Orange na meron kami. And the color is bright orange. So, it's a bit of glossy orange. If I'll describe it, based on how I see it in person, almost peach bago pa siya. But for this one, nag-turn into orange na siya. I do hope that you are seeing the same color kasi there are instances na magkaiba yung paningin natin just because of how the camera is portraying the color of the plants that I'm trying to show you. Yung next leaf niya is yellow-green with a pink midrib. So when we say midrib, ito siya guys. And I will show you the leaf. Credits to the owner of this photo that I will be showing you as a reference. And then yung mga petiole niya is medyo orange din. However, if it's gonna grow mature or if it's a more mature petiole, it will turn into green. As you can see, meron pa ding slight orange sa kanya. So this is the Philodendron tricolor. Next to this, I will be getting the Philodendron Prince of Orange. So guys, this is our Philodendron Prince of Orange. And as you can see, the newest leaf. This is the newest leaf. Let me take a closer look. It's a bit glossy too, however. It's like coppery orange. So yung kulay niya is coppery orange. Instead of that one is sobrang bright. Yung Philodendron tricolor kasi, yung newest leaf niya, sobrang bright orange siya. Well, let me get it para ma-compare natin. But let me describe it first to you guys. So, ito siya. And then, hindi pink yung midrib niya. So, take a look at that. Oh, hindi pink yung midrib, guys. So I hope that we can see the difference. Although if you believe that they are just one type of philodendron, then go on with how you believe about it. But it's just that I'm trying to show you, because this Prince of Orange came from Thailand. This is a cultured philodendron. We just got this from Brilliant Green, just in case you are interested. That is where we got this. And okay, I'm trying to show you the difference. It's really bothering na maraming nagko-comment at maraming nagme-message what are the difference between the two. So ayun guys, itatabi ko. And as you can see, the shape of the leaves, guys, parang pahaba siya, and then it's quite pointed at the dulo. So let's get the other one so we can compare. So ayan, magkatabi na sila, guys. And as what I have noticed talaga, magkaiba yung dahon nila. Kasi yung dahon po ng Prince of Orange, personally lang ha, in my personal opinion, it's actually payat na pahaba. While Tricolor, let's take a closer look. Medyo, paano siya guys? Medyo pa-oval siya. However, it's still pointed on the end. And ito lang talaga yung pink midrib. Doon sa pangalawa, mula sa pinakabagong dahon niya is pink, but the Prince of Orange is not showing any pink on the midrib of the leaf. So we all know that most of the plants that are imported from Thailand or from other countries who also produce cultured philodendrons, they are hybrid plants. When we say hybrid, they are plants produced by crossbreeding of two varieties or species. If we say it's a hybrid philodendron, so it is produced through crossbreeding of two different species. As I look at the Philodendron Prince of Orange and I compare it to Philodendron Tricolor, they are really closely related, guys. It's just that because Prince of Orange is a hybrid philodendron, kaya medyo naiba na yung itsura niya, medyo may slight difference na siya compared to the Philodendron Tricolor, which I bet is an original species of philodendron. Marami pong variety ng mga hybrid philodendron, guys, especially yung mga vibrant cultivars from the vast philodendron genus native, especially from South America. Unlike many other philodendrons, guys, this hybrid philodendron is self-heating. They do not produce vines. Instead, they will just grow from the center of the plant. So, hindi sila gumagapang. Kaya siguro, kin-crossbreed siya sa Tricolor because I have seen an old Tricolor, guys. Gumagapang talaga siya kasi tumutubo yung mga aerial roots, humahaba siya. So, can be a vining philodendron once napabayaan at nag-mature siya. So, umaakit din siya sa kahoy. So, the purpose of crossbreeding Prince of Orange is to have a self-heating philodendron that do not vine. Okay, that is the explanation as well na bakit yung itsura niya is long and glossy oval shape. So, ayan, pahaba nga siya. Unlike this one na medyo mataba yung dahon niya. So, its long and glossy oval shaped leaves will grow from the center of the plant with morphing colors as the leaves mature. So, ayan, hindi gumagapang ang Philodendron Prince of Orange. And if you do not believe what I said, that Philodendron Tricolor really curls, I will insert a photo that will show you kung anong itsura na matandang Tricolor na talagang paakyat na. If you will put a pole on it, then it will really climb. And the hybrid Prince of Orange, new growth, yung mga bagong dahon niya, unfurls as vibrant orange. So, ayan. And transitions into coppery orange. So, ayan. Kaya nagganyan na siya yung kulay. Pero nung bago pa siya, medyo vibrant din yung pagka-orange niya. However, wala pa siyang bagong dahon ngayon, guys. But, if I really look at it, they are really not the same, guys. But, Prince of Orange came from Tricolor. I do believe in that. Prince of Orange is a hybrid from Tricolor, and I do not know what is the other plant na kin-crossbreed sa kanya kung bakit ganyan na siya ngayon. Both of them are so easy to grow, so pareha lang sila. Kung paano mo inalagaan yung Tricolor, it's just the same on how you will take care of your Prince of Orange. These hybrids can be displayed anywhere as long as there is bright and indirect light to keep its vibrant color. Kapag itinago mo naman siya at hindi siya naiinitan, nawawala din yung vibrant colors na meron siya ngayon. So for example, kapag yung tricolor inalagay mo lang sa lilim, mawawala talaga yung orange niya, yung yellow-green. It will turn into just green and then merong iba may pale green. I can show you a sample photo from my mother's tricolor na yan. Magkaiba, hindi na talaga ganito yung kulay because hindi siya na-expose sa light. So, these plants should be watered only when the top 2 inches of the soil. So, ayan guys, tingnan nyo, as you can see, hindi siya masyadong basa. We just make sure na medyo moist lang yung soil. So, pag chinek mo siya, at least 2 inches, tinouch mo yung, yung potting mix niya. Kapag medyo dry out na yung top part niya, dun mo na siya kailangang i-water. But really not every day, kasi magra-rot siya. These hybrids have become very popular due to the morphing colors and because they are easy to maintain, making them a perfect choice for beginner plant parents. So guys, dahil almost the same lang yung pag-aalaga sa kanya, so easy lang din siya palakihin. So there is nothing much to worry when you are growing a Prince of Orange, or whether it's a tricolor or a Prince of Orange, it does not matter. As long as you give them your best, then they will really grow well. So guys, I hope that what I gave you is something that you can learn onto. But if you have your own belief, then go on with it. I'm not imposing my will on you. It's just that I'm showing that there is a little difference between the two just because Prince of Orange is a hybrid philodendron. So if you are watching this video, I hope it helps. Thank you for making it till the end. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and tap the bell icon beside it so you will be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!